In this video, we are going to be learning how to make social media graphics with Canva. A bunch of options up here. Make anything you really want to. If you want to do like a reel, you can come up over there, select Instagram Reel, and it's going to populate with a bunch of templates. So you can scroll through this and kind of look and see what's available. We have this little lawn care one over here. So if you wanted to do that, you're just going to drag everything down into there one by one. And come back over here. You can let it play. So you can take your videos, your text, your logo, all that fun stuff. And it's just kind of a quick, easy way to put some reels together. Additionally, you can use your magic media that you've used before for graphics. You can do the same thing with videos. Canva, AI videos, that's a little finicky to say the least. It's a little bit better on other platforms that kind of specialize it. So Canva does use those programs in here, but it's a scaled down version with like limited text prompts. So a few more iterations, it'll probably be good to use. So but what we're going to do today is a Instagram post. So we just want the 1080 by 1080, and we can come double click on that. And from here, we're going to see a bunch of kind of templates that are going to work for Instagram. So if you wanted to do something with coffee, just do a little search and you got a bunch of coffee templates. Kind of pick through what you wanted to do. So for this one, I'm going to do a new post template for the blog post that I wrote for the website. And we can come over here and kind of take a look at what is over here. I'm just going to pick this quick one over here. So we got 5 tips. I'm going to take that. I'm going to swap that out with the title of my blog post. So let me do this and mess around with that. From here, you can swap out your font that you want. We could put an image in here, which we will. We can pretty much change anything and everything. But let's go with the image that we created before in a previous video. So we can just go something like that. And then probably going to want to switch this to like a green, but I don't really have anything that might be too green. But so something like this is just going to be a quick, easy way to get a blog post put together. You have a couple other tools that you can use as well. If you go over to the text, you have the Magic Write by Canva, and this is used to use AI to write stuff for your posts. I'm asking it to write a description, which would go with the post itself. It's not going to go on the image, but write me a description for my Instagram post that is introducing a new blog post titled Dandelion's the Unkillable Warriors of the Suburban Jungle. So I'm going to go ahead and click generate, and it's going to give me what it thinks is a good caption for an Instagram post. So the caveat with this is it's pretty generic the way that it writes, and it's always got the little emojis and all that fun stuff. So generally I wouldn't use AI to write captions yet. A few more iterations, I think it's going to be good. But if you were to prompt this 40 separate times, it's going to be pretty similar. So I think captions are pretty obvious when they're written by AI at this point. So it's good for some stuff, but I'd probably stay away with it for that in particular. And besides that, you can come back over here to your magic media. You can make some graphics for this, and that's pretty much it. So to export your image, you're just going to come over here to share, download, and probably with JPEG or PNG, quality at 100%. You're going to click your download, and then that can get uploaded into your social media channel if you have it. But if this is for an assignment, then you're just going to download this image to submit it to me. So